Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2020 Ram 3500 Laramie, and it is a welding rig, so let's go take a look. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have the aftermarket bumper. It has your light bar built right in, and then you're also gonna have your LED pods right here, your two tow hooks as well, and it is completely rock guarded. You're gonna have your LED headlights, and then your black Ram badging and grille. Coming underneath the hood, you're gonna have the 6.7 liter Cummins. This one's gonna have your 4-inch lift with the upgraded Fox shocks, sitting on 37-inch tires, 22-inch Hostile wheels. Your fender flares are rock guarded, and then you're gonna have your kickback bulletproof mud flaps. You're gonna have proximity entry on this one, on color match door handles. Opening up the door, your running boards are gonna pop right out. Flip up tow mirrors with the blind spot monitoring and the cross path detection. This one is a welding rig, so you're gonna have some storage in here. And then coming into the back here, you have your bucket and your clamp. You're gonna have your 4 and 7 pin wiring and your hitch receiver, as well as your two light pods right here. And then coming over onto the side, you have all of your reels with all of your connectors. You can pull them like this, and then they do lock into place as well. This is your actual welder right here. It's a Lincoln Electric Classic 300D. And then some more additional storage back here as well. But now we're gonna go finish up in the front. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have your black Laramie leather seats. They are heated and cooled, and they're gonna have your suede detailing. Heated leather wrap steering wheel on this one as well. Lots of storage in your center console. The top of your console is lined, and it has a USB charger in it. Sliding cup holder piece, and then you do have your phone pad right here, and then you're also gonna have a 115 volt plug-in below it. Above it, you're gonna have your two USBs, USB-Cs, and an aux plug-in. Your glove box is lined on this one, on both the top and bottom. 12-inch screen that comes equipped with your navigation. You also have the option to hook up your phone for your Bluetooth. This one has your travel link, so you can see fuel prices, movie listings near you, check the scores on any sports teams you're watching, see the weather, manage your SiriusXM subscription, and then you can favorite any of those options. Dual climate control on this one. You can control all of that on your touch screen or on the buttons next to the screen. And then all of the controls for your heated seats and cooled seats are just right here. And then all of your media controls are right here as well. You have the option to turn off the screen, handy at night so it's not shining directly in your face. Built-in trailer brake control on this one, it's just a pinch. And then you're also gonna have your exhaust brake already built in, your tow haul motor, then you can turn on and off your rear park sensors. 4-wheel drive controls are right here. On the steering wheel, you're gonna have all of your Bluetooth and hands-free controls and your cruise controls. On the back side, you're gonna have buttons, change the radio station, change the song, turn up and down the volume of the music. This one is fully deleted and tuned. You have a 5-stage tuner that's just right next to your steering wheel for easy access. Memory seats on this one as well, and then you're gonna have your power folding tow mirrors. So they'll just fold in and out with the push of a button. You're also gonna have your auto headlights on this one. So if you have your high beams on and someone's coming toward you with their lights on, it's gonna automatically dim to your low beams. So no more getting flashed. And then you have your Alpine sound system up here as well. This one has your universal garage door opener, so you can program 3 different garage doors into this button right here, and then you're not carrying around a bunch of remotes. You're gonna have a power sliding rear window on this one as well, and then all of your controls for your sunroof are right up here. The sunroof does have a shade, but now we're gonna go finish up in the back. In the back of this one, you have an armrest that folds out flat. It's got 2 cup holders in it. Coming into the middle here, you're gonna have 2 more cup holders, and then an additional 2 cup holders down here. A little bit of storage, and then 2 USBs and 2 USB-Cs, as well as a 115 volt plug-in. So all of your passengers are totally covered on long road trips. They can plug in all of their devices. And then they also have the option to control their own airflow. Tons of storage in the back of your seat pockets as well as in your door. And then you're gonna have your power locks and power mirrors on this one. Under your all-weather floor mats, there is some in-floor storage bins as well. Your seats flip up. On that side, you're going to have a sub, some additional storage on this side. And then both pieces do fold out flat. They have these two plastic legs to make them a little bit more stable. If you want to make this truck yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.